Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 312 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is called Light Within Motion, a moment to let your calm energy move through you with ease and grace. Let's begin by taking a slow, deep breath in and exhale gently. Notice the subtle rhythm of your body, the gentle movement of breath, the quiet pulse beneath your skin. Even in stillness, there is motion. Imagine your inner light flowing with that rhythm, gliding through you like a soft current, steady, clear, and alive. Now, say to yourself, I move with mindful ease. My energy flows with balance and light, and peace moves through everything I do. Let this inner light guide your motion through the day. Each breath, each choice, each movement carried by calm awareness. When you're ready, take one last slow breath and feel both grounded and free. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.